Ayan. Kuya Anastasio is now getting ready for the second part of his stunt. Medyo lumalakas ang hangin. Napakadelikado niyan para sa isang tightrope stunt artist. He might get lost for his sense of balance. Ayan, he's now getting ready for the second part. Pero bago tumalon, ano muna kanyang gagawin? Siya muna ay mapapasaya. Group that body, i-gamble mo. I-gamble mo pa, i-giling kuya. I-giling mo pa. Ayan. Ayan, napaka-sexy. Ay. Si Mami napatalon. Napahawak sa kanyang dibdib. Kuya, sabi ko naman sa'yo, atakin sa puso yung mga parents natin eh. Pamuntik ka na. Ayan. Sayang. Pero for our dear audience, don't you worry. Si Kuya Anastasio is a very trained individual. Kayang-kaya niya po using his powerful muscle. He will try to act one of the most difficult things in tightrope walking, and that is regaining his balance. Ayan, Kuya, Manong. Ayan, pakitago yung isang muscle, hindi yan yung sinasabi ko. Ayan, baka mapagkamali.